I swear, you saw me. I just picked it, okay? Hey folks, it's Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah. Positive energy, it works. It's time for your angel message, and I'm using Angels, Gods, and Goddesses by Tony Carmine Selenero. Great deck. All right, so let's see what the divine has for you this week, because I know there's a lot of people out there that are hurting and looking for some help and some guidance, and maybe some validation that what they're going through is going to be okay. So let's pick 3 cards and just see what the angels, gods, and goddesses have to say about that situation that you're going through right here, right now. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. Angel of Knowledge. Start to apply what you already know and trust your intuition. Angel of Finances. Yep, that happens for a lot of us. Honor and give thanks for the blessings that you are about to receive. And the third one is Angel of New Life. An exciting new chapter in your life is about to unfold. Okay. All right, well, I would suspect since our Angel of Finances has popped up and the Angel of New Life, which is something's changing, I suspect that there are at least one of you out there that's going through a career change, or perhaps just coming out of school and looking for a career and a place to get started. Or maybe our finances are like, could be a lot better. You know, it's been a tough couple of years for a lot of us. So the angels of finance are saying, honor and give thanks for the blessings that you are about to receive. So just kind of know in your heart that this is not your natural state of being. Abundance and prosperity is what God wants for you. You're a child of God. Okay? Yeah, you're a child of God. You're a spiritual being having a physical experience. With that comes all the richness and abundance. And so if you're in a state of scarcity right now, this is not your natural state. So give blessings that that's about to change. Where to start? Well, the Angel of Knowledge. Start to apply what you already know and trust your intuition. I have a friend who's going through some big career changes, and you know, they've been kind of floundering. They didn't really like what they were doing, which was very prosperous. So they basically stopped what they were doing, and now their finances are a little bit, I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do. And so they're floundering. So they reached out to me, and I said, well, you know, you had created an awful lot of content which was very rich and very full of very valuable information, and you've already done the work. So grab that stuff and repackage it, and then bring that to the marketplace and resell it in a different way. So hopefully they're taking advantage of that, but take what you already know. Take what you have already created in your life, your knowledge base, your skill sets, what you love to do. Where's your passion, okay? Stop listening to everybody else. If this is what your life purpose is about, and it's your passion, and it brings you joy, and it brings joy to other people, hang in there, okay? Finances are coming, okay? There is a new life. The angels of new life are working with you in an exciting new chapter for you, and it's about to unfold. But what you got to do is you got to step into, you know, maybe some unknown. Get your finances in order, okay? It doesn't serve you to be in scarcity. It doesn't serve other people, okay? If you're struggling to make ends meet, figure it out. There are countless websites, books, life coaches, videos, all kinds of resources for you to get your poop in a pile when it comes to your finances. Yes, you can. And so whatever your budget is, whatever your income is, figure it out. You are not supposed to be living in poverty, okay? So get your act together, folks. You are a child of God. Bring those gifts to the world. The way you do that most effectively is you're not struggling to survive every day from day to day, okay? If you're worried about how much food you've got and how to pay your bills, you're not centered in spirituality helping other people. So if you really, really want to help other people, and I know many of us do, get your prosperity in order. One more card? Okay, one more card. This clarifies it. The goddess of compassion. Self-criticism is diminishing your sense of self-worth. I swear, you saw me. I just picked it, okay? Divine is talking to you. You know, I just gave you this big lecture about getting your financial act in order. And I could hear you, oh, no, Goddess of compassion is saying self-criticism is diminishing your sense of self-worth. You are worthy. So, folks, if that message doesn't resonate with you, I don't know what to say, because your angels are with you, okay? They want you to be successful. They want you to be prosperous. They want you to stop all this criticism of yourself, okay? You are worthy. You are loved. You are a child of God. Folks, I hope that message resonates with you this week. This is Susan. Namaste.